Welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR at ISRAR'S channel. Today we will talk about the ideas or the tips to improve the productivity and efficiency of warehouse operations, in which we will define what is warehouse operations, warehouse productivity and efficiency, importance of warehouse productivity and efficiencies, and finally the ideas or the tips or advice to improve the warehouse efficiency and productivity. So now let's start with the definition of a warehouse. Simply, it is a building for storing goods which are used for manufacturers, importers, exporters, wholesalers, transporters, and the custom. As you know, today our topic is to improve the efficiency and the productivity of a warehouse. So let's first define what a productive or efficient warehouse is. Typically, it refers to a warehouse that operates efficiently, maximizing its output with minimal waste of resources, time, and efforts. So, productivity in a warehouse can be measured by how effectively it manages its key functions like space utilization, order fulfillment, labor efficiency, equipment efficiency, safety and compliance, then inventory control, and lastly, technology integration in the warehouse operations. After defining the productive warehouse, now let's see why we need or what is the importance of a productive warehouse. A productive warehouse is essential to support the smooth and efficient running of any business concerned with logistics and supply chain management. It enables business to store, ship, and distribute the goods to their customers. It also make easy for the businesses to track and manage the inventory efficiently, and additionally reduce the transportation cost, increase the flexibility, and reduce the staffing needs. Considering how important the productivity of a warehouse is, so it is very important that warehouse productivity ideas should be both focused and actionable. So uh, here are some of the best idea tips or advice for warehouse managers to improve their productivity. From these are from the experience working with the warehouse and operation managers over the years. So now let's talk about the ideas or tips to improve the warehouse efficiency and the productivity one by one. Before talking in detail about the each idea, now let's first uh, list all these ideas. So we will start from the layout, workflow, bin location, material handling, orders picking, inventory level, shipping manifest, reduced deadhead miles, working conditions, workers' feedback, management's presence, incentive plan, technology, warehouse management system, warehouse control system, RFID technology, warehouse management, waste management system, and finally the resource reallocation. So after having this list in front of us, now let's talk them about one by one in detail. Okay, now let's start from the first one, which is the warehouse layout. Designing a practical warehouse layout is a crucial process as it has a direct impact on the efficiency and the productivity of the warehouse. The planned layout should arrange the process in a logical sequence that can help streamline operations, boost productivity, and reduces the expenses. A well executed and optimized warehouse layout design can provide easy access to store goods, minimize travel time, and improve order fulfillment rates. Next tip or idea is to workflow in the Warehouse. So, workflow in a warehouse should be organized to enhance productivity and efficiency with a focus on the beginning of the process from the back of the warehouse and moving towards the shipping area. This approach aims to streamline operations and reduce inefficiencies. With the right workflow, business can optimize control over the warehousing process, better serve clients, and improve every relevant performance metric. The next process is material handling. The nature of the product or the materials determines the methods of their reception, of their receiving, verification, transportation between the various warehouse areas, storage of goods, order preparation, consolidation of loads, shipment of goods, and stock management. So it is better to handle each of them according to their nature. For example, heavy and light items should be handled separately. About bin location, it is advisable that frequently used bins should be close to the shipping area. An efficient bin location system point out exactly where to stock a product, preventing misplaced or lost items. And the staff can save much time during warehouse operations. It is also advisable that they should do the multi-order picking, uh, which are also known as the batch picking, is a method that allows the pickers to work on multiple orders or batches simultaneously, which is the most efficient methods of picking. Since the employees move around the warehouse less, which cuts time on travel between orders, and the picker can go through orders faster, further speeding up the orders fulfillment process. Inventory management is one of the most important function or operations of a warehouses. So it's best to keep the inventory at the minimal level, which can improve the efficiency by streamline operations through better space utilization and reduce handling. Fewer items are managed means less handling, which can improve product quality by reducing the damage as well. So it also reduces the obsolescence and minimizing the shrinkage and enhance flexibility in the operations, which means more efficiency and productivity. Always use a shipping manifest, which is a document that lists all the details of a shipment, including descriptions of the goods, quantity, weight, and destinations information. It also serves as the comprehensive record used for tracking and verifying the shipments. These are crucial for regulatory compliances, accurate tracking, and efficient custom clearance. They ensure that all shipment details are documented and verified, and reducing the risk of error and delays. Use power cut order strategy to reduce the dead end, which refers to the minimizing non-productive travel or movement within logistics and transportation operations. These cards could be used to transport items more efficiently, reducing the time spent on empty trips or unnecessary movement, thus enhancing the productivity and reducing operational cost. This approach leverages power cards to ensure that every movement within the warehouse is purposeful, reducing idle time and maximizing the efficiency of the workforce and equipment. Another major step in improving the efficiency of the warehouse operation is to improve the working condition of the warehouse. Whether it is a warehouse lighting, ventilation, layout, or human factors, making sure that warehouse workers can safely, comfortably, and easily navigate in receiving docks, shipping and freight areas, and pick zones makes for a more productive operation. Warehouse workers injuries workers injuries, reduce labor productivity, and also impact on the attendance and the coincidence of workers compensation claims can disable the company's ability to fulfill orders and provide the necessary business results. It is also very important to get the workers' feedback since workers on the floor have first hand experience with the daily operations and can provide valuable insights into how processes can be streamlined and made more efficient. Their feedback and implementation of the feedback improve the efficiency of the operations. Another important factor in improving the efficiency and the productivity of the warehouse is the presence of the management. So, increased presence of management in warehouse can lead to several improvement in productivity through enhanced supervision and accountability. Immediate problem resolution, better communication, motivation, and moral and safety and compliances. Another very important steps or trip is to make an incentive plan, which can also improve the productivity in a warehouse. While making an incentive plan, keep following things in mind. Set clear objectives, identify key performance indicators, monetary incentives, recognition program, and career advancement, and other opportunities. The next is the use of technology. Use of technology can significantly improve the uh, productivity of a warehouse through various means like automation, warehouse management system, drones, robotics, Internet of Things, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, mobile technology, handheld devices. And application of these technology makes the warehouse a smart warehouse. Another very important technology is the radio frequency identification. This technology controlled by radio waves and individuals RFID tags can communicate with readers devices even when those devices are not within the line of sight. RFID automates many manual processes leading to the significant improvements in operational efficiency. For example, RFID enabled system can automatically capture data during receiving, picking, and shipping process and eliminating the need for manual data entry and then reducing the human errors. Implementation of a warehouse management system also helps companies manage and control daily warehouse operations from the moment goods and material enter to warehouse until they leave. Uh, a warehouse management system is a software and it is a key component of supply chain management and offer real-time visibility into company's entire inventory in warehouses and in transit. In addition to inventory management, a warehouse management system offers tool for picking and packing process, resource utilization, analytics, and more. Warehouse control system is another system, is like a type of software that integrates with the warehouse management system in order to provide additional controls and functionality to the system. Usually, it is used for management and direction of the material handling automation systems within a warehouse. It ensures an efficient product flow across different material handling equipment and subsystems such as conveyor, pick to light modules, and carousels, sorters, AS and RS like automated storage and retrieval systems, and automated guided vehicles AGVS, among others. Implementing a waste management system in the warehouse. So, an efficient warehouse waste management system is essential for the warehouse as it helps to reduce costs, improve efficiency, increase profitability. It offers multi-facet benefits to warehouse operations just beyond the merely reducing costs associated with waste handling. It can foster efficiency, streamline processes, and even open up new revenues streams for converting waste into the resources. Last but not the least is always keep reallocation of resources like space, human resources, and machinery, and in a warehouse, which can significantly improve productivity through several mechanisms, including redesigning the warehouse layout, vertical space with proper shelving and racking, designating specific zone for different types of goods, reassigning workers to specific tasks based on their skills, cross training, aligning workers shift with the demand patterns, implementing automation, regular maintenance and timely upgrades of machinery, and utilizing the right type of material handling equipment. Overall, reallocating resources in a warehouse optimize operations, reduces waste, and enhances productivity, leading to cost savings and improved customers' satisfaction. These were some of the measures a warehouse manager should take to improve the efficiency and the productivity of a warehouse. I hope after listening the presentation have an idea that how to implement these ideas in the warehouse for more efficiency and productivity. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please let me know. Till next presentation, take care and goodbye.